Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram Insights problem. To know how to fix Instagram Insights problem, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to default apps, app settings here, apps like this. And when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. When you will find this page, you will go down to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. And here you will click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.